Hello guys. Channel to my welcome. In this video we will learn how to make thumbnail like Mufti Tariq Masood. First, take a 1280 by 720 canvas. Then let's import our reference thumbnail in Photoshop. Let's drag and drop our thumbnail background. Now let's resize it with our canvas. I use Bing Image Creator to make this AI photo. Let's fix this gray color issue. We fix this with content-aware fill, or you can use generative fill. Here it is. Now let's import Mufti Tariq Masood picture. Let's do some color correction with Camera Raw filter. Here's the result. Now let's do some color correction on background. Now we need to add this blue text box. To add this blue text box, take a new empty layer and select the rectangle selection tool and make a selection around blue box. Press Alt Backspace after making selection. Now let's add Urdu text. Resize it. In this case, I am using Jamil Nuri font. Now double-click on text box layer and choose Color Overlay to add blue color. Now change text color into yellow. As you can see, there is a bevel and emboss effect in text. Now this time double-click on text layer and select bevel and emboss. And select dark yellow on dark side and light yellow on light side. Now you can copy my settings or adjust as you like. Here you can see the text. Here you can see the lower part of box is dark and upper was light. Again, double-click on box layer and add bevel and emboss effect. This time increase the size and copy my setting. Now you can see the box, it's look like same. Now we need to add this brown effect on lower side of thumbnail. Take an empty layer and with brown, big and soft brush paint on bottom part of thumbnail. Make sure your flow is low. Now let's add this English text. In this case, I will be using Beboss regular font. Now add a drop shadow on text. Change upper text color to orange. Let's drop the glitter texture in Photoshop. Clip it to the text layer. Decrease the opacity of glitter texture. Here it is. I can't find exact logo, but here is the logo that I have found on Google. Add a layer mask on logo layer. Then take a black and white gradient and remove the bottom of the logo softly. Now press Ctrl-Alt-Shift-E to merge all layers. Now for final color grading, go to Camera Raw Filter and adjust according to your thumbnail.
Here is the final result. Like and subscribe for more videos.